What kind of bird would Fraser crane be?
A crane?
Good job, Dave.
In the hang of it.
That's great. All right, next up. All right, Maxine Nightingale she's a British singer, best known for her international hit, Right Back Where We Started From. Give us a bird, Dave.
Nightingale?
Should be a phoenix.
Yes. All right. Phoenixes, by nature, are cyclically reborn. Are you familiar with that? When they perish, they find themselves right back where they started from. Please tell me, what kind of bird would Larry Bird be?
Well, he could be any bird. I'm done with this.
That is absolutely correct, Dave. Larry Bird would be any, and presumably every bird, since he immortalized himself in the game of basketball for switching it up on the court. It follows that he would be an immortal bird that could switch up his bird identity as he pleased. See, immortal birds live forever, okay? And forever leads to boredom, it's boring. So it follows that Larry Bird will switch up his bird identity periodically to ease the weight of that boredom. With an time on his hands, wings. He would switch up his bird identity enough times to cover every bird known to man. Good job.
So you've somehow earned 1 point, and
that earns you a signed glossy of Blaze Balance. I thought you brought the buzzes.
memorabilia is your responsibility.
Guys, it's okay.
It's
It's
gotta be around here somewhere. It's your wallet. Probably that's Sorry. Alright, well let's at least give him the Starbucks card.
I only have like $3 left on it. The glossy is like worth $20.50.
We'll sign the card, I'll up the value, we'll show it to the barista, she'll be elated that he met us,
Alright. Did great. It was good having you on. Yeah, I'm amazed at how much hubris you can fit into one signature.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dave. Tell Dylan to say hi. Good fucker, I'm going to ask that you keep working on it. That was better. Thank you. But not by much. Okay, your sounds are unsettling to me. Okay, they're bringing me to a dark place. I'm petrified by them.